coming here and doing this, it's okay if you're coming in car, but if you're coming on bike, it's an awesome satisfaction. Let's keep going. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to Enrique YouTube channel Adventures. Here we are, here we rode some kilometers from where I am, Santa Barbara do Oeste, until this beautiful lake, I'm about to review for all of you guys. I'm glad to see you everyone one more time. All this was possible thank you to Fabio, who told me about this spot and the other spot, and there's another blue lake around this area. Where I am, by the way, is in the mini Pantanal here in the SP or Sao Paulo, Brazil, guys, all right? So I'm going to leave the link of the other video for you if you're using, in case you want to see it, all right, guys? Let's review this place. I hope, guys, you like the whole footage, the review, of this place, Let me know, guys, if you know this place, if you've been here already. If you don't, I'll invite you all to come and check it out. Definitely, it's a place to come and enjoy with family. Trust me, I've been seeing some sign here, of garbage and stuff, side don't Jogalicio, and they have some here. But, it's okay. People have the conscience, they come in here and they collect the garbage, and they keep it safe in the area. So that's the most important, all right, guys? Nothing else to say. Enrique Morris is out with so much love living for you guys and good energy. Until the next time, guys.